From now on,
Anoint me, Mama.
your Edo name is Adesua. Your friend, her name is
She's
Omosefe.
anointing.
Your name is Omosefe. And then the other girl,
Adesso.
one is Omosigo, and then one is Ivie. So whenever I come to Philippines, I'm going to say, Adesua, where are you?
Oh, yeah, that's me.
And then I'll call Omosefe.
Present.
I'll call Omosigo.
And then
And I'll call it Ivie. So the artist, hopefully, when I come to Philippines to make a Edo movie, we're going to use this name.
Let's make it happen soon.
Yeah.
Yes.
I need to come to Philippines for us to do a Edo movie, right?
Yeah.
And with the artist, her name being Ivie, you Omosefe, you or Adesua, and then
We
the
will
other
make
girl
your
Omosigo.
life. We will make your
Yeah,
life.
we'll make
The
it.
story of your life.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So we can even do the story of Adesua. You know, what happened to Adesua in Benin Kingdom, how she was sent to the king of Delta, somewhere in Agbo or something. So the king was admiring her. The king wanted to marry her. And the king purposely bought things from her on credit, asking her to leave her father's palace to come and take the money. And when the king tried to, be close to her, like to touch her and make out with her and all that, she refused. Either she slapped the king and the king got angry and the king killed her. And she was a big princess for Benin Kingdom, So immediately they killed her outside the Edo Kingdom. A bird started singing by the window side of her father's territory, like palace. Yes, they started singing. Oh, she's crying. I'm so sorry. Very pathetic. It's a very big name. So, what the song means is, are you sleeping? You better wake up. Obo have killed Adesua. And the name of the man that killed Adesua, his name is Obo. So it goes like this.
Sounds good.
And she was a very pretty young lady who went on that mission innocently. Her intention was to collect her money, but the man killed her. So it's a very, very pathetic story in my place, and it's not a fiction.
It's real.
It's real story. So most homes where they have the first daughter, just like the name Ada in Igbo land, So in my place, that Adesua, in most cases, maybe the first daughter in the family or the only daughter in the family, a well-celebrated daughter, because our names, we are named
With meaning.
Yeah, with meaning. And our names have meanings, and at times it depends on the circumstances surrounding your birth. So we don't just name. All Edo names have meanings. Yeah. So, I'm coming to Philippines to put a film
Yes. Let's make it happen.
Adesua, and she will ask the role of Adesua. Because I see her yesterday, she has the qualities of Adesua. And she will gladly go to that man to collect her money.
I agree. Go.
Don't worry, I'll
Collect money.
come to Philippines for us to shoot the film. I think Nigerian ambassador to Philippines, his name is Ambassador Imak Baku. He's a Nigerian that is well known in Philippines. And then the country where I'm ambassador, our our Prime Minister, HRM.
He's there?
Yeah, she's from Philippines, but she moves around because she's our